Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the show mature content function on the Crunchyroll application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the account option down below, which is the last option, and after that go to the app experience section and click on show mature content, thereby turning on this function. So when you are browsing through the series, you will be able to see these kinds of contents. However, if you want to turn off this function, you should go back to this section and click on the button until it turns gray, and if it's blue then it's turned on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.